Hello, my dear students. I'm glad to be with you again. Today, I want to remind you Unit 5, Lesson 2. Unit 5, Lesson 2 is about two tenses: present simple, present continuous. Present simple, present continuous. The first one is present simple. Present simple, we use it when we talk about the things in our life. Routines means what? The things that we do in our life. It doesn't mean we talk about yesterday or now or the future. Means what? Means the things that we do in our life. We say it present simple. Present simple. If you look at the structure of present simple, look at here, present simple routines. We go around the world 16 times a day. Here we have we is a subject, go is a verb, simple verb. There is no ing, there is no verb to be like is, are. So means what? Means the structure of present simple is subject, verb, complement. Subject, like we, go is a verb, round the world 16 times a day is complement. But if we look at here, 16 times a day, here we have time, a day, 16 times a day. Means what? Means here we talk about routines. Every day, look at. Every day I talk to people on the radio. Every day means what? Means we talk about the things that we do in our life. Every day doesn't mean now, doesn't mean continuous. Means the things that will be routine in our life. It is called what? Present simple. If we look at every day is a time, a day is a time. If there is a day and every day in the sentence, means what? Means the sentence is present simple. But at the same time we have to look at the verb. We is a subject, go is a verb. We say there is no verb to be like is, are, and there is no ing. Look at your I, the same thing. I, there is no is, are, there is no ing. But we have subject, verb, subject, verb. So means what? The structure of present simple is subject, verb, complement. And we have time. We have subject, verb, complement, and we have time. Most of the time we have time, but if there is no time, it is okay. This is the structure of present simple. Just I want to remind you. Dear students, and we have present continuous. We said we have two tenses, present simple and present continuous. We talked about present simple and now we have present continuous. Present continuous is a tense, is used when we are in the middle of the action. Like what? Like we talk about now. We don't talk about the past like yesterday and the day before yesterday and last week, last years, and we don't talk about the future. We don't talk about the routines in our life. We talk about the things that we do now. The tense, the structure of this tense is subject, verb to be, verb ing, complement. Look at your notebook. We wrote there. And in the sentence, most of the time there is now and at the moment. But if you look at here, I am looking at the stars. We don't have now and at the moment. Just we have I is a subject, verb to be, verb ing, looking at the stars, complement. So according to the subject, we have verb to be. I am, he is, she is, it is. We are, you are, they are. And the verb suffix ing and complement. Maybe there is one word and two words and some words. If we look at the structure, look at present continuous. Now we are flying over the Britain at the moment, so means now we are flying over Britain. I am talking to you. Now I am talking to you. The structure is subject, verb to be, verb plus ing. I is the subject and verb to be, talking, verb plus ing, to you, complement. So it is very easy. These two tenses, present simple and present continuous, you can differentiate between them by the structures. Present simple, subject, verb base, complement. And the tense is every day or a day. And for present continuous, subject, verb to be, according to the subject, is are, we have, and the verb is ing, and we have complement. Complement is most of the time there is at the moment and now. But if there is no time, it is okay. Just we have to look at the structures. And if we go back to the dialogue, we have Sue, astronaut, and Martin. Look at the examples. They are talking with each other. Now they are talking and they talk about some things that they do in your life. It means it will be routines. So I want to remind you, please, you have to look at your notebook and the activity book, because we wrote many good examples in the notebook and the exercises are in activity book. But please, you have to memorize the structures. If you don't know the structure, you cannot differentiate between present simple and present continuous. Students, good time for you till another time.